Welcome to the Global Pulse, a short video series where our experts break down a trending topic in international business and why it matters to you.
Today, let's talk about the much anticipated IPO of the Chinese fintech giant Ant Group, 蚂蚁金服. With a revised funding target of 35 billion US dollars, it could be the largest initial public offering, surpassing the record set by Saudi's Aramco last year. Currently, the valuation puts Ant at 250 billion US dollars, making it worth more than Bank of America and PayPal. Who is Ant Group? Ant Group is the largest online payment platform in China. It is affiliated with Alibaba, one of the largest online e-commerce firms in the world. It first started as Alipay, which helps the buyer and seller on Alibaba's e-commerce site to facilitate payment with confidence. It's named after a small insect because the mission of the company is to provide financing help to the little guys who do not have access to traditional financing. Today, Alipay has over 1 billion active users all over the world, handles about 17 trillion US dollars in payment every year, and accounts for more than 55% of all online payment in China. In recent years, Ant has expanded its service to cover a broad range of financial services. Now they're lending loans to consumers and small businesses, sell insurance products with the partnership with some of the financial institutions, and have one of the largest money market funds in the world. This IPO will be a dual offering at the Shanghai Stock Exchange Star Market, the China Nasdaq equivalent tech board, and the Hong Kong Stock Exchange. And expects to sell between 10 to 15% of its equity and use the money raised to further develop its global presence, mostly in Asia. This IPO is a huge win for Shanghai and Hong Kong stock exchanges. Some of you may remember back in 2014 when Alibaba did its IPO, it chose to do the IPO in New York and raised a record of 25 billion US dollars. This time around, since Chinese companies traded on US stock exchanges face more and more scrutiny, and the tensions between US and China are at all-time high, Ant decided to bypass the US market and to do its IPO in China. Nevertheless, this would be a very exciting event to watch, the largest initial public offering to date.